Siyempre, wish, hindi na ako sa posisyon ng binil last year. Sa Pedro was cutting the head, the net, and then this year, ako naman yung sa net with that. So, just goes to show na if you put in the work, put in the trust in the teammates and the system and the community behind your back, sobrang iba talaga. So yun, jobs done.
Same story in game 1. Went out ng first half, and then eventually your teammates took you home. Talk about yung ganong klaseng comfort you have a team who can take huddle, especially pag nag-struggle ka na or you're cramping up. Talk about it.
Especially Cyrus when came up big, especially medyo alat siya nung game 1 and I said, you need to take those shots even though miss ka, like that was not the time na mapaging low yung confidence mo, and then yun, sumunod siya and then a bunch of players na sa makuha sumunod, so grabe, sobrang nag-step up lahat yun. Two shots were connecting, yung mga offensive rebounds, kahit nagkakamali sila po, bawi naman sila. It's a mark of a good time.
If you can you take us through yung final minute na, siyempre nasa bench na kayo noon, ang haba, di ba, ang daming fouls, so alam niyo na magka-champion na kayo, pero like, ang tagal ng oras, what was going through your head nung final minute na yun na alam niyo na, nangyari niyo ba?
For me, I feel like jig lang to, or this was just so surreal to me. Then, yun, itignan ko lang yung mga hard work, like, kaya napapaiyak ako kasi grabe yung ginahanas namin na sakit, especially last year, coming off from one game away. And then we executed today, and then yun, sobrang bumalik na sa akin yung lahat ng sakit, lahat ng pagod, and paid off today.
Last week, sabi mo na alam mo na hindi ka mananalo ng championship na mag-isa lang. Can you just describe kung ano yung difference for you personally nung last year tsaka this year, personally and sa team?
For me, yung level of composure and level of maturity talaga. Siyempre may ibang mga coaches naman din ako na tumutulong sa akin na pinapaalala sa akin yung mga mali yung ginawa last year. Like, tayo mananalo ulit ng ganyan na ganyan yung naglalaro ng basketball. So, yun, nag-improve ako, nag-develop ako, naging humble ako, at naging student ako sa mga nakakataas sa akin, and then nagtiwala ako sa kanila, nagtiwala din sila sa akin.
Clint, how does it feel to be part of the team that ended a 33-year drought? How does it feel?
Grabe, sobrang lala talaga. You saying that, sobrang talaga maniwala na 33 years na, kasi 32 years last year, 33 years ngayon. Like every year na lang, tapos we did it. Yung goes to show para sa mga past na Cardinals, past na coaches ng Cardinals, sa past sports na ng Cardinals, like sila talaga ng mga sa student body ko, makuha community, like para sa kanila talaga.